especially the makeup be on point. We talking of face beauty, some nice makeup. We talking of head beauty, some nice headwrap. We talking of hair beauty, some nice hairwrap. I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you more. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you more. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you more. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you more. I don't let you more. I did more. Yeah. I don't let you more. I did more. Oh. I don't let you team will answer your beauty questions. I don't let you team will answer your beauty question. I don't let you team will answer your beauty questions. I don't let you team will answer your beauty questions. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you team more. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you team more. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you team more. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you team more. I don't let you team more. I did more. Yeah. I don't let you team more. I did more. Oh. I know you like the headwraps for the beauty they bring. I know you like the hair up for that African look, but you know how to sell them right. You gotta need tutorials. You have to know how to sell them right. You gotta need tutorials. Yeah, I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you more. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you more. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you more. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you more. I don't let you more. I did more. Yeah. I don't let you more. I did more. Oh. Everyone wants to look so nice, especially the makeup be on point. We talking of face beauty, some nice makeup. We talking of head beauty, some nice headwrap. We talking of hair beauty, some nice hairwrap. I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you more. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you more. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you more. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you more. I don't let you more. I did more. Yeah. I don't let you more. I did more. Oh. I don't let you will answer your beauty questions. I don't let your team will answer your beauty question. I don't let your team will answer your beauty questions. I don't let your team will answer your beauty questions. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you more. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you more. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you more. You get a beauty tutorials from there. I don't let you more. I don't let you more. I did more. Yeah. I don't let you more. I did more. Oh. that African look. But you know how to sell them right. You gotta need tutorials. Yeah, to know how to sell them right. You gotta need tutorials. Yeah, I've been thinking